Hello, everyone. Happy July 1st and 4th of July. If you're seeing this in 3 more days, I didn't even feel like recording this video. I don't know why. I just feel so, I don't know, restless today. I don't know. Watching two kids all day long in the morning gets you a little bit tired by the afternoon. Although they're great kids, and honestly, I don't feel I did much actually today, but I don't know why. I just feel so tired. This is what my hair is looking like. I know I've been keeping it again short. If you go back a few months, oh, you can see some good stubble growing in right now. Um, go back just a few months, I think I was growing it out again, and I'm liking the shaved head look. It's a lot cleaner. Definitely better than having it grown out. I really want my hairline lowered. I've talked about this for years now. If I do grow it out, I think that'll be a game changer. But now I've gotten so used to the bald look that I don't even know if I care anymore. Um, Plus, I have kids. I'm married. You know, and I'm turning 41 this year. So, it's a young man's game now. Um, I am probably not going to have hair that's going to compete with a 20-year-old's, but you know, I feel pretty happy where I'm at right now in my space. So it's funny because I actually had a lunch with an old friend of mine. When was it? Last week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday? And he himself is going pretty bald, like pretty badly. He's a couple years older than me, and he starts asking me, "Oh, are you going to try doing anything for your hair, using rosemary, this and that?" I'm like, dude, I'm married already. I have kids. Like, who cares? We're in our 40s. Like, who let it go at this point? I'm like, I like the shaved head. It's funny because I haven't seen him in a while, but every time I meet him, he mentions something about hair, and his hair has gone downhill. I mean, I think he'd look a lot better with just shaving it personally, but um, that's his call. He was wearing a cap at the time because his hair was so messed up, but and he just got married even, his second wife. So he, you know, but he'll figure it out. He doesn't have kids yet, so maybe I think that will give him some some distraction in life. Um, maybe when my kids get older, I'll be again back to where like, oh, okay, well maybe I want hair again. But right now I'm not in that phase. Uh, Leave your comments. Let me know what you guys think. No scarring, no nothing. If that's what you guys want to see, it was an FUE I did back in 2013 and 2014. So you can see hair looks perfectly fine, healing. If anyone is like, oh, I mean, you can see tons of stubble up here. Who's like, oh, bad job or whatever. I was a Norwood 8, entirely bald, or NEP 7, and I got only about 3,000 grafts done. So, if you really want a more fuller, thicker result, for the amount of grafts I got done, pretty amazing results. Um, but if I got maybe another 3,000 done, yeah, I mean, you're going to be seeing a lot more hair on the top. So the process works. It's just you got to get more grafts and you got to have all that donor hair. My original hairline was like this mole right here marked it. So you can kind of see where the head kind of goes up over there is where my hairline used to be. Like right there. Anyways, now I can live vicariously through my son's hair.